Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your host, Michael, aka Mr. Mac or Sir Mac. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, delicious breakfast. Good old Jamaican banana porridge. Alright, so if you want to know the ingredients, I'm going to leave it in the description, so you can just click in the description box and look for the ingredients. But let me just run down through it. So you're going to need banana, of course, and I have 8 fingers of banana. Alright, 3 cups of freshly squeezed coconut milk, 2 cups of water, nutmeg, artificially flavored vanilla, the measuring cup, and a little salt. Alright, now I usually use cinnamon, but I don't have any cinnamon, so I just have to go ahead and use it and do without it today. So if you have your cinnamon, this is the time to wash about 4 to 5 cinnamon leaves, add it to your 2 cups of water, and put it on the stove for it to come to a boil. While you go ahead and blend, cut up your banana and blend it with your coconut milk. And then, as soon as this comes to a boil, you're going to add this mixture to it. Turn the flame down and stir for around 15 to 20 minutes. Alright? During that process, you can add this, your nutmeg. Alright? And of course, your little salt and your sweeten. Simple as that. So I'm just going to show you the blend. I'm just going to add this to the just to put this to the on the stove for it to come to a boil, and I'm going to show you the blended mixture. All right, stay tuned. This is the blended mixture, right? If you want to grate your banana, you can grate it, all right, but I choose to blend it because it is easier, faster. So this is the blended mixture, and I'm now just going to add this to the pot, to the boiling water, to that 2 cups of boiling water, 3 cups of boiling water that I place in the pot with the cinnamon. Right now, if you want to make your porridge smooth, you can blend this a little longer, but I like it when it is a little bit the texture is a little bit grainy. Right, I love it like that. Right, and that is what you get when you actually grate it. That is the texture that you get when you grate it. So I want that texture, so I don't really blend mine smooth, but if you want, you can go ahead and blend yours smooth. Alright, so I'm just going to show you now how we had this. Alright, I'm just going to add the mixture. Alright, as you can see, I'm just going to stir this, so yours should look just like this. Alright, and this is the consistency, and as it go along, it will thicken. All right, so it looks very, very nice, very nice. So you're just gonna do this for maybe another 15 to 20 minutes. Now if you realize yours is getting too thick, you can always add a little water and stir. All right, remember, but midway through you can add your grated nutmeg, add it to your liking. Right, a pinch of salt. I'm not going to use sweetened milk in mine, as you can see I am a natural man, but I don't forget coconut milk. Alright, so I'm just going to use a little sugar and sweeten. Alright, so stay tuned for when this is finished. I'm going to show you the finished product. So this is it, final product, looking really sumptuous. Guys, remember, this is an healthy alternative to most of those porridge mixes that you are drinking that is loaded with preservative. This don't take no more than 20 minutes to 25 minutes to be prepared. Alright, if you use bananas that are significantly bigger than mine, then you don't necessarily have to use 6 to 8 fingers. You can use 5, you can use 4. Alright, and if they are very full, you can use 1 or 2 less. If they are a little bit on the younger side, you can use more, because the older the banana is in terms of maturity, more mature they are, is more starch content in it, so you're going to get, it is going to be thickened much faster. Alright, thank you very much guys, and remember to share this video, share it with your friends, share it with your family. Alright, like and subscribe. Thank you very much.